Hello, I'm Fuze and I'm thrilled to announce the release of my acclaimed tutorial series Fuze, now finally available in English. Thanks to powerful AI voice translation, over 50 hours of content to learn Maya from scratch are now fully accessible to everyone. For those who don't know it yet, Fuze is a well-known French tutorial series designed to teach you Maya step by step. I will guide you through everything you need to build a solid foundation in CG and Maya, all the way to a professional level. The series is divided into 6 chapters, covering everything from basics modeling to Substance Painter texturing and final rendering in Arnold. What makes this tutorial unique is the time we take to really dive deep into each concept. You won't just learn tools one by one. You will learn how to use them together in a smart, efficient workflow. On top of that, we will work on real, high-quality assets with a strong focus on producing clean and visually solid results, which is what truly matters in the industry. Maya remains the industry standard in CG production, and mastering it is essential if you want to specialize later in any CG field. Even though this course was originally recorded in Maya 2020, don't worry, you can follow along in the last version without any issue. The fundamentals haven't changed, and you will also get support via our dedicated Discord server. All videos are in 4K with clean and clear voiceover, and all the necessary project files are provided. You can purchase each chapter individually as you progress, or get the full bundle at a 20% discount. Here is what will be covered. In Fuze 1, Maya Basics. We start from zero, interface navigation and core modeling concept. Then in Fuze 2, Advanced Modeling. We push further with art surface modeling of a complex, quad-based asset that match concept art precisely. In Fuze 3, UV mapping. You will learn my optimized UV workflow to unwrap your model cleanly and efficiently. In Fuze 4, shading and rendering. A deep dive into Arnold and Hypershade. Learn how rendering works and how to build complex layered materials using only Hypershade. Fuze 5, texturing in Substance Painter. From beginners to advanced techniques, learn to texture efficiently and bring everything back into Maya to final render. Fuze 6 is about ZBrush. This final chapter steps outside Maya to introduce ZBrush, a key tool to complete your 3D pipeline. If you have any question about the Fuze series, feel free to contact me directly via Discord. I will be happy to help you.